How would I think about the future of design? Let's take a crystal ball. Okay, the future of design. It's the dematerialisation. I don't know what to say in English. It's design come when I want. I want to listen to music. I want to see my mail. You know, it's technology integrated into, or furniture integrated into technology. It's different. Because if it's technology integrated into furniture, then it becomes cheap very quick. It's a gadget. If it's the opposite things, it's the furniture integrated into technology, then it becomes a whole world that's instinctive and spontaneous and comes when I want him to come.
Hello, my name is Charlie Schick. I work with Nokia. I run the website Nokia Conversations at conversations.nokia.com. And you said, what was the question again?
What are you doing, and how do you want to change the world?
Yeah, how do I want to change the world? That's a good question. I think we change the world through openness and honesty and authenticity and passion. And so long as you do that in your work, you'll change the world. And so I try to put that in my work. And I try to inject that into the company as well, and that's how I'm hoping to change the world.
I'm Marissa Meyer. I'm Vice President of Search and User Experience at Google. And when I think about Google's future, I think that it's really about innovation and pushing the web forward as a platform. Our mission has always been to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. And with the huge amount of data that's being produced every year, for example, there were 80 exabytes of data produced in this past year in 2008 versus 5 exabytes in 2005. The amount of information that needs to be organized and made accessible worldwide is just growing, which is a big challenge for us at Google, but is also a big opportunity in terms of new technologies to help people really harness that explosion of content.
Hi, my name is Danny Kim. I'm one of the leading bloggers from Korea. I run a blog named Technokimchi. It's technokimchi.com. And what I actually do is I report a lot about a lot of things happening in Korea and other parts of Asia that are related to digital stuff, like digital gadgets, the digital culture, the internet, and how it's affecting politics, lifestyle, or also I talk a lot about digital technologies in Korea, infrastructures, different TV channels, different forms of media happening, citizen journalism, things like that. And one of the most noticeable things about Korea is that we are actually blessed with really awesome infrastructure. We have mobile internet everywhere. 3G is pretty fast. Also, we have the fastest and also most highest broadband penetration in the world. So internet is a really huge part of our lives. Because of the younger generation doesn't even feel like internet is something separate. It's part of their life. Because of that, we've been seeing a lot of social phenomena happening in Korea. For one example is taken from May this year, where a lot of people gathered together out in the street to have a protest against President Lee over beef trade stuff with the U.S. And then that really showed the grassroots journalism and also grassroots movements happening because of the internet. Also, mobile is a big part of our lives, so people just talk to each other all the time. On average, a Korean teenage person sends about 52 text messages to friends a day on a daily basis. That's pretty amazing. So if you just keep track of what's happening over in Korea, that might be the future of what might happen in your country. So check out technokimchi.com, and then I can tell you a lot of different stories there too. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Frank Nezikian. I'm the president of China ICT. China ICT is the largest event around IT entrepreneurs in Asia, and we want to keep it this way and to make it bigger, stronger, in order to make sure that everybody understands that if you are an IT entrepreneur today and if you want to create a company, you should think twice before starting this company in Silicon Valley. You should start it in China. I did it in Silicon Valley. I was successful over there, but now the right place to do it is in China. ChinaICT.org. Thank you, guys.
My name is Rodrigo Sepulveda. I think I have a name down here. I'm an entrepreneur here in Paris. I have a company called VPod TV. VPod stands for Video Publishing on Demand. And the .tv is that we enable anyone to create their own TV channel. Now, anyone is only the enterprise. We sell multimedia CMS, so content management solution that works with video, pictures, images, audio, office files to large corporations, so the top 100 corporations in any given market. We launched about 3 years ago. We're present in France and in Spain. We have about 17 customers, and we're doing great. Perspectives for next year? It seems that in terms of crisis, people need to communicate quite a bit. So large corporations actually heavily investing in web TVs, and we're very happy to be actually working and being one of the leaders in this market.